Who?
They trying to beat me up.
Who trying to beat you up?
Them little kids.
Them little kids.
And Gary.
What's wrong with you? You been smoking some crack or something?
Who's you?
Nigga, you in my yard, who the fuck is you? Hey, baby, what you doing now? Hey, you can't be doing that now.
Yeah, the police.
Yeah, the police just there, you need some help?
Yeah, the police.
This is my yard, baby. What are you doing?
Sorry.
Hey, what is you doing? There go the police right there. Hey, the police gonna take care of the deal. You know, who's trying to beat you up? I think you did high. You on, what you on? What kind of drugs you on?
I'm trying to go. I live down.
Let me see your ass.
Oh, yeah!
Man, you was in my yard. What are you? You in my yard? Huh? Yeah, this girl in my yard, out of my yard and shit. This girl in my yard, I don't know what's wrong with her. I don't know what's wrong with this girl. She out in my backyard. Hey, she's in my backyard. I don't know what's wrong with her.
Oh my gosh.
She what the? Oh Lord. See, all in my back bushes trying to go through my. I don't know what's wrong with her. Just somebody trying to beat her up or something.
Are y'all gonna go get her?
She don't need to come back in my yard. I got a big dog back there. Shit. And that's why I said.